Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this smooth zoom in and zoom out editing transition. In fact, this professional zoom in effect does not require any editing skills, and it can even edit automatically. It is perfect for indie hackers or content creators who want to promote their products, etc. So let's get started now. We only need to use one screen recorder, FocuSee. Now free download FocuSee from the link below in the description and make the zoom in video step by step. Open FocuSee. There are 3 recording modes to choose from. Let's take the window as an example. You can display key product features in sequence and turn on the camera and microphone at the same time so that you can explain the recording content more clearly. FocuSee has added a pause function, so you don't have to complete all operations at once, which allows you to promote your product more calmly. After you finish recording, you can also use FocuSee's built-in editing functions, such as editing zoom effects, 2x spotlight functions, and camera layouts to further create beautiful and professional videos. Change the background size to adapt to different social platforms, or adjust the cursor style and background style to make the screen recording more eye-catching. In addition, FocuSee has more features worth your attention, such as convenient sharing options, automatic caption generation, dual system compatibility, etc. Whether you are making demos and tutorials, promo and launch videos, or pitch and sales videos, FocuSee can help you save a lot of time in making videos, even if you have no editing skills. We all know there are many excellent screen recorders, such as Loom, Screen Studio, Tela, etc., but there is no one as affordable and full-featured as FocuSee. Take Screen Studio, for example. Its lifetime price is $229 or $29 per month, which is in the same price range as high-end video editing tools such as Final Cut Pro, but it does not provide the same level of functionality. The lifetime price of FocuSee with the same functionality is only $69.99. What's more surprising is that I have prepared exclusive discounts of FocuSee for you in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.